can, like I was telling Shay, you can add all the pieces that you want.
Okay.
Change movie, you got to do all that. Any kind of shower you want to do it in the preset, that can change.
Okay. Got a lot of stuff to learn.
Oh my gosh, it is a lot.
That's why I tell you guys, don't buy houses. You know why? Next thing you got to do is you got to move your shit in here. Then you got to find out how to use the new thing and put in the passwords. It's a complete waste of time and energy. And even if you make a little bit of money on the house deal, look how much time and energy you spent making it your house, okay? Furniture, look, I got to go out and get stuff, right? I need little snacks here for the weekend, you know, look. You got to have some chocolate balls, you know? Like when you buy a house, what's the first thing you put in it? Chocolate balls. Got to have them chocolate balls. Then you get yourself some little chirpy chirps, okay? You got to have some rolled oats. You got to have some muesli. You got to have some coconut chia. You just got to get your game on, diggity dogs. But then you got to figure out all the bullshit, man. There's bullshit everywhere, man. Everywhere. This is the pantry, right? Like, what am I gonna do in here? Looks like a good room to have sex in. Kitchen sex. You got to clean up afterwards. So, you know, you got to learn all this stuff, do all this stuff. Right now, Johnny, look what we're doing. For the last 3 days, all I've been doing is loving my daughter right here. Get on the middle here. Get in the middle. Let me Susie you around, okay?
Are you sure this is?
It's safe. It's safe. Okay, it's safe. There's my lazy Susan. She's for dinner. Okay, here you go. Okay, let me see your face. Stand up. Okay, you're not. This is Broadway. Okay, and then I spent the last 3 days just fixing the landscape. So we had these big, show this date palm. This is called a medjool date palm. I love them, absolutely love them. But these are too tall for the house, okay? So what happens is it pulls your eye way up high and it kind of dwarfs the house. So it'd be great if this house was, if that was in an office building that had 5 stories. So when you take down, notice the height there with our other palm trees, but watch this. See, watch when my eye goes to that. Now that starts to make sense. So we'll bring in some other palm trees that height so that it keeps your eye at a certain level. Those little things, okay, I might spend on all the landscaping, the demolition, the new palm trees, maybe 100. Guarantee that 100 makes me 5 big ones. I'm not really changing anything. You don't need permits for that. You don't need permits. You don't need to go to the city. All I did was take out some old stuff, open up these views. Look at this view. Look at this freaking stupid view that I have. You couldn't even see this 3 days ago, okay? Cost me maybe $200 to remove those shrubs. Now we'll drop in the palm trees here over the next week. I'll remove these old big palms that are suffering here. They've been beat up from the salt and the sun and they're too large. And then I'll basically build a canopy that'll make this place feel like a resort. I'll do that for under $100K and the next guy will pay $5 million because I did it. $5 million extra. So all this stuff is just stuff. Anybody can fix the house. You can fix the house, fix the colors. You don't like the rug, get a new one. It's that. See, the view is what gets everybody, right?